Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to next episode. Today we're gonna be installing this PBM hydro, and then I also got the ABS lines. It's now January 28th. We gotta be drifting in Texas on the 15th. So we have quite a bit to do. I actually just finished ordering all the parts to complete the build. But if you guys are curious what a Corvette looks like under the dash, this is it. Just the PBM kit actually bolts straight onto the shifter. So it's gonna go right on like that on those same bolts. See if we can line that up. So it's gonna go right there, and then these two actually right here are going to be riveted in just for extra support. And then they also include these super cool lines. This kit was pretty cheap. I think it was like right around $200. But those are ABS block off plates, and then all the line stainless that you need for inline hydro. I've had a dual caliper hydro before and it was okay, but I've also had inline, and honestly, I probably only use e-brake mainly on entries. So I think this will be fine for this build. So I have to order these block off plates because I wanted to keep heat and AC in this car. We're also messing around installing like the speakers back in it. If you guys watched the video, we just got this thing from the Cage shop, so we're installing the stereo again. I ordered the extra bolt that was broken down here. It's not gonna be here till Monday. So that kind of stalled us on the process of the angle kit and coilover build. But I also ordered front bumper, radiator support, everything like that. I got a really nice DeWitt's radiator. I've heard great things about these. If you have a base model, make sure you order a base model radiator. I have the Grand Sport that has the dry sump on it. So mine actually has the oil cooler as well in the radiator. That thing came off pretty easy. It looks like it's glued down a little bit, but hopefully it goes right on there super smooth. Boom. And I'm like super OCD about getting exhaust fumes in my car. So we're gonna throw that thing back on there. So that is installed. It was a super easy install. There's just like 4 bolts. Like I said, there is 2 rivets that they included. Just right there and right there. I'm gonna drill out later. I have to go grab one and then put these 2 little rivets in. But I am going to work on the lines now because I'm assuming they're gonna be a little bit difficult just because we're gonna have to go through the firewall with the stainless lines. So I'll let you guys know how this goes. All right, another reason I went with this PBM kit is I actually have a really nice diagram that kind of goes over how you install everything to make it super simple. But anyway, I set out my lines. I was probably gonna have to drill something right in there. And another thing, I could not find anyone else that's done this online that had actually like done the full ABS delete. So these 2 lines on the, I guess, back, those are your front brakes, and these 2 ones up here are actually your back brakes. And I'm gonna just unbolt this entire bracket just because I want a lot more room for my engine bay, just because it is kind of annoying to, I mean, you gotta throw these in there and I'm gonna have to rebend lines and everything like that. But yeah, if you guys are doing this, those are the front brakes. These are the rear brakes right here. All right, so we completely removed that ABS block. This is kind of what I did. I hate bending hard lines. Like, I just always think they're gonna crack for some reason. But anyway, yeah, we got the lines coming in here. I still have to drill the hole. I wanted to just show you guys kind of how I did that. And then we'll probably run these along the frame somewhere, kind of tuck them to keep them out of the way of the belts and everything like that. And then put that hole right back in there. It's kind of annoying. I hate doing brakes, but that's what I came up with. Not the best mechanic in the world, but that should do. What's up, guys? We're back here finishing up the hydro. We got Austin. He was kind of reviewing his cage work. As you guys can tell, like, he painted the passenger side. Look at all that overspray.
Well, I did not do that. I did not do that.
But anyway, we got the drill. We're gonna just finish up these 2 little rib nuts, and then obviously we need to paint the rest of this cage. Austin painted the passenger side, so Gotta run back through there.
Are you kidding me?
Repaint that. Look at that driver's side, man. Anyway, we got the ABS delete all done as well. It was pretty simple. Just put those 2 little plates in right there. We're gonna run these lines. Oh yeah, also I got food poisoning for the past like 2 days, so that really sucked. We've got like 11 days to be in Texas. And like, as you guys can tell, I think our last video of painting the cage, we were at like, what, like 15 days or something like that to Texas.
Yeah, something like that.
Well, now we're at like 11 and have not done a single thing besides put 4 little bolts on this hydro, which is pretty pathetic to be honest. But anyway, we're gonna wrap this install up and then we're gonna hopefully, you know, install the rest of the interior of the seats and get this thing running.
Rookie mistake.
What are you talking about? It's glue, bro.
That's a small rib nut. Did it come with them?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Well, it's not a rib nut, it's a rivet, but it's okay.
You said rib nut in the video.
I said rib nut. Too big, bro.
That's what she said.
There we go. Perfect. It's been a while since I've used a rivet gun, so at least I'm not as bad as Dan Moore trying to use a rib nut gun.
I haven't seen him.
It's a good time.
Talking crap on Dan. He can't even do it himself. What is this, the Harbor Freight special?
Dude, this is the Harbor Freight. You know who this is actually? Dan's. Nice.
You know, for like $3 more, you can actually get one that does it first try.
Really?
Yeah.
Where at?
Harbor Freight.
Freight doesn't sell those. Whatever, we're just gonna send it. This one was free from Dan Moore's shop.
I'm starting to sense that sending it is your new motto.
Hey, that's your license plate, bro.
Yeah, you got a point.
Don't be getting that on camera.
It's fully mounted.
It'll hold. It'll hold. That's gonna be a perfect spot. This is probably not the most ideal way to cut fiberglass, but it's what I had.
Don't bring it in. That's getting you far.
I think a razor blade would work better.
Probably.
They needed to be just a little bit longer, or we gotta drill a different place.
What you doing, man?
Guys, just remember, you always measure once, cut twice. Well, in this case, drill twice.
Wait. Isn't that where the pedals go? Yeah, you don't want it popping out by the pedals.
No, it'll be fine. We'll just run it over.
There's something behind there, isn't it?
I think it's still the bracket.
Hey man, it could be worse. We could be 3 holes deep.
Bro, give us like 5 minutes. We'll be 3 holes deep. We did not have to drill a 3rd hole. We only had to do 2. But it'd be pretty solid. We ran it like kind of straight through the pedals, so we'll zip tie it up so it doesn't hit any of those. Don't really know what size these are, but we're using like a 13. I think they're probably actually like a 12, but
Strip it and rip it. You know what I'm saying?
yeah. Stripped or cross-threaded, tight's tight. Not actually though, don't cross-thread these. It'd be a pain in the ass.
Cross-threading is God's Loctite.
Alright guys, don't be like me. There's these 2 washers in the kit. Don't forget these are little, whatever, mash washers. What are they called?
Crush washers?
Yeah, they're crush washers. Mash washers, crush washers. You don't want your hydro leaking all over your nice Corvette. Well, our Corvette was nice until we got it, but yeah, I'm sure yours is gonna be nice.
Mine's gonna be real nice, man.
Yeah, yours is still salvage title, buddy.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh yeah, so we started building this, and what, we got about like 2 days into working on this one. Austin gives me a deposit to buy him a salvage Corvette. So if you're thinking about buying a salvage Corvette and you do want a good deal on one, hit me up on my Facebook page, Kansas Classics. Just send us a message. Even if you're not even remotely close to Kansas City, I can find you a good deal on one.
He'll even smoke some holes for the hydro for you.
Yeah, 2 holes. They are included with purchase. All right, guys. So that is the final hole we ended up making. If you're curious where to cut, you should probably do it like half an inch over that way. That's probably the most ideal spot. But anyway, we're gonna run some zip ties through here. Just kind of tie this down to the frame, tidy that up a little bit, and finish that install. But overall, it was a nice kit to do. I'm super excited to install the dash because it's gonna fit in the cup holder. So we're trying to install the rest of the interior today. Watch this next video, and if you guys have any other questions with what we're installing, just like comment and I'll either try to answer it or do a video on it. Thanks, we'll see you next time.